Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and our next lecture in this course on how to use Amazon Video Direct to sell your own videos in the huge Amazon Video Marketplace. Now we are here in my dashboard, as you can see here on the screen, and I want to talk to you guys in this lecture about what type of videos you should use and what type of videos you should sell on Amazon Video Direct. Now, probably most of you guys will create videos that are somehow a type of tutorial, or you already have created online courses and you want to sell online courses on Amazon. And as you will see right now, you have three types of videos that you can actually use on Amazon and publish on Amazon. First of all, you have standalone type of videos, okay? And as you can see, I already published one. I'm waiting for it right now to be approved and published on all of the platforms, okay, that Amazon has. And practically the standalone type of videos, it's when you publish a single video that it can be either a tutorial or a full movie or a music video clip or I don't know, something like that, okay, something like a workshop, something very, it's either short or it's a full movie, or anyway, it's in a single video, okay? And let's have a look at the one that I've already published. So you guys can see exactly which are the settings that you need to create inside practically your product when you launch your video. So you will have a catalog listing. So that's for all the three types of videos that you want to publish, the products that you want to publish, okay? It's the same for standalone, episodic, and subscription, this form right here. So you'll have a catalog listing where you will have the title, the category. Obviously, if you are into online courses, you will select educational. Then this is the metadata I was talking to you about. So in the synopsis, it's like the description that you have to create, and be sure that you create it somehow search engine optimized, because it will help people practically get their eyes on your product in the Amazon Marketplace, okay, because they will look for certain keywords and they will find your product there. So be careful with the title, be careful with the synopsis, so you can have those keywords that you know people are looking for, and your product gets in their practically in their range much easier, okay? Then you will have to select, okay, the category in which you want to find the product in the marketplace, okay, in the category in which practically people will see your videos. And obviously for this type of video, it's like a tutorial what I have published here. I selected the non-fiction business and finance, non-fiction career and jobs, non-fiction educational, and non-fiction educational, professional, and career development. So this is probably these are the type of things that you will select to, the type of categories. Then I had the rating system. I haven't selected any type of rating system because I don't have suggested rating. It's for all ages. Be sure to select original language English. A release date, it's not something that you have to select. And then you have the graphic assets, okay, so the background image and the poster of the video that I've talked to you about. So as you can see here, you will have the background image, which exactly it has to be the 16:9 ratio, and I've created the one like this. Then you have the poster, and I've created one like this, that it has to be 3:4 ratio, and then again the background image that it's 16:9. I will show you exactly how you can easily create this type of images. This one, my poster looks better than the background images because I didn't take a lot of time to create them, but I will probably recreate them. And that's about it in this practically category, in this form of the catalog listing, okay, how it will look in the marketplace. Then you have the cast and the crew. You also have to practically to sign your information in here too, okay, to give your information in here too. So you have the studio creator, your name, then you have the crew, at least one crew member is required, your name again, okay, role producer. Obviously, if you have a movie which has actors and everything else, you will add all the team here, okay, all the crew here. Then you have cast, Again, okay, for movies, if you have a certain character in your movie, you will add practically you will add the character here, and you will say which actor is playing that character. So for me it was simple, it was my name and character, the presenter of the tutorial, okay, obviously, and then you press save, and that is that. Okay, so we are done with this one too. Then you have the video assets. These are actually, this is the part where you upload your video and your captions. Okay, so here practically it's your main video in the mezzanine file. If you are using Amazon S3 services for hosting files, you can either select your file directly from Amazon, or you can upload your file from here. Okay, so I've uploaded my main file here. Then you have the captions here. Be sure to know the frame rate of your video, okay, because you can select the frame rate from here, the language, and as you can see, my caption has a CSS type of extension. And then if you have a trailer for your movie, for your standalone video, web series, or whatever, here you can upload your video. Do not forget that it has to be high definition. Then you have the availability and also the prices, which we will talk about more in a new in another lecture, a different video. But the availability, okay, where do you have the rights for this video? Worldwide, it's created by you. How will Amazon customers watch the video? You can either select only people that have Amazon Prime. You can select free with pre-roll ads, so you will make money out of pre-roll ads. Rent it if you want to rent it, or buy for people who will actually want to buy it. Then we will have a look at the pricing in a different video. After you complete all these 4 categories, your video will be up. Now let's go back to the type of videos that you have. We also have episodic videos, and probably this is what you will be interested in if you are building an online course. And if we have a look at this title here that I have, Online Personal Branding Hacking, you can add different seasons, obviously, but you will probably most likely add a sole season, okay, for an online course. So I have Online Personal Branding Hacking Season 1. Catalog listing, again, you have seen exactly how it's created. Then you have cast and crew. Okay, again, you have seen how it's created and it's the same. And then you have episodes. So for each series, you will have an episode, okay? Practically, this is where you will put your lectures for your course. You will have like I have, okay, my course, it's like a season, and each lecture, it's an episode, okay? So I have episodes here. You have to obviously add descriptions and everything else, okay? But I don't have this one available yet because I still have to create the captions for it. And then you also have the availability, where it's exactly the same like in the other part, okay? Now in a future lecture we will talk about, and next video we will talk about the pricing type that you have, okay, and the pricing choices that you have. And you also have the subscription based program, okay? This one is available only for the United States, so this is a little bit different. I wouldn't recommend you to start with this, only if you I gave you examples if you have like TV shows and you constantly are producing content, because this is a little bit more complicated and tricky, because you have to constantly produce content to keep your subscribers happy. But these are the free type of videos that you can post on Amazon. Probably, as I've told you before, for online courses, this will be the most logical choice for you. Also, if you have short tutorials, standalone can be great and can create awareness and can create you money from ads. So this is a great way to start too. Now, thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful. I wish you all the best, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorry.